What is up, YouTube? Dylan Pearson here, and in this video, I'm going to teach you how to write high converting Facebook ad copy. Sorry, I don't have my usual green screen set up and whatnot. I'm traveling right now. I'm in downtown Seattle, so I've got my portable mic, but I definitely wanted to get a video out this week, as I promise a minimum of 1 to 2 videos, very high quality per week. So if you're new here, make sure to subscribe, smash the like button, and leave a comment letting me know if you have any questions or what you want to see next. Let's go ahead and get into writing really good ad copy. So I'm going to pull up an example of an ad that I found on Google Images, and I want you to take a look right now and decide for yourself if you think this is a good ad or a bad ad. Go ahead and pause the video, but go through this ad and really look at what they're doing here. Think about, if you saw this, would this urge you to click through or perform an action on their website? The answer is, this is a horrible ad, and I'm going to go through the reasons why. So first of all, this image, it's pretty low quality. It doesn't really do much. Pay and go, go, go. When I'm scrolling my newsfeed, or when anyone's scrolling their newsfeed, you're looking at, friends and families' posts of their new child, their graduation, their job promotion, stuff like that. You're not looking for an image that says pay and go, go, go. And then along with that, so first of all, the image is just pretty bad. It doesn't feel natural. It feels like an advertisement. And when you're creating Facebook ads, you want it to feel natural to the newsfeed. Aside from that, if I was to scroll and I saw the words free sim, what about that would urge me to stop? Absolutely nothing. There's nothing there that makes sense to me at all. Free sim. In this section right here, this headline is very important because it is, aside from the image or the video, it's the second largest portion of your ad. And it's a lot of the times what grabs people's attention. So really bad headline right here. There's really nothing that explains what this offer is, how the product's going to help a problem. And then let's go up to the ad copy itself. So it says, order a free sim from O2 today and get 10 pounds to spend at prezibox.com when you top up. Okay, there's many issues here with this ad copy. First of all, what is the current issue I have? Why do I need to order a free SIM card? I have a phone, it works perfectly fine. So I don't know what problem their product's going to fix for me. Second, this would work as an offer. Let's say they drew me in, they explained that there's an issue with regular cell phones and the SIM cards in them or something, and they present the problem, and then they have a solution and whatnot, but then they use this as the offer. And I could see that working is, order a free SIM card from us today and you get 10 pounds off. But the main issue is they put an @ symbol in front of their URL, which means I can't directly click this link. And when you're doing links in your ad copy, make sure to use HTTPS : // that way people can click it, or even just www. If you put an @ in front of it, people aren't going to be able to actually engage with that link. So it's essentially useless. Yeah, so overall, this is a horrible ad. I can't imagine they had much success with this. So let's go in to the details of how you can avoid situations like this and create very high converting ad copy. So over here in my notes, I'm going to list out exactly what I do to kind of outline and template my ad copy. So first of all, I have a hook. Let me make this bigger here. Okay. So with my hook, what am I looking for in a hook? I want to grab the user's attention. So grab the user's attention. And then also with this first line, the first line is the most important aspect of the ad copy. So not only do you want to grab their attention, but you want them to feel something. And a lot of times it's easier to make them, feel the problem that they're currently experiencing. So for this example, here, I'll just write this out here. So Focus on user's problem. So the hook should grab the user's attention and focus it on their problem. Next, you want to, let me copy this so it remains the same formatting. So next, you want to present them with the benefit slash solution. Did I spell benefit wrong? Yeah, there we go. So the next line of your ad copy should present what solution or benefits your product is going to bring to the user. Once you have that listed out, then present them with an offer. An offer, so example, just like this, you know, a lot of people are doing the 50% off today with free shipping. And in my opinion, that kind of draws in the wrong people. That draws in bargain hunters. And it's okay to use offers like percentages off, in my opinion, later on in the funnel when you're retargeting. But when you're hitting cold traffic, I feel like it brings in the wrong type of traffic because you want the most valuable users. You want people that have the money to spend on a service and increase your average order value. The people that are the bargain hunters are usually going to be the ones that are very nitpicky about every single thing in your service or your product. There's going to be more returns if you use this. So you can do like the 50% off or a free shipping offer, but there's other ways to do this. And what I recommend doing is focusing on other aspects that your business or service has to offer. So free shipping is a good one, but discounting your product directly, to me, isn't the best way to go about the ad copy for cold traffic. So the first ad that you're creating for a new product, I wouldn't personally do the 50% off. It does work in some situations. It's something you could test out, but free shipping is good. Maybe you offer like 3-day shipping worldwide or something. That's a good one. You have maybe like a 90-day money back guarantee. So those are all good offers, and just kind of like a reason why they should buy this from you. So I present an offer, and then finally, the second most important part is I'll write it out, call to action. So so the call to action is what action you want the user to take after seeing your ad. Is it, do you want them to shop now? Do you want them to provide an email? It's really what your goal is with this ad, and you want to directly state that to the user. I forgot the exact percentage that I saw. I read some study about presenting your call to action straightforward to the user, and it increased the result of that actually happening by a tremendous percentage. So I can't remember the exact number, but I want to say it was greater than like 50% increase in the user actually taking the action. So call to action is the second most important part of your ad copy. So let's go back to this ad, and you guys can see now that there's no hook, there's no benefit and solution. They do have an offer, and there is no call to action. So this ad checks off one box of the 4 most important parts of high converting ad copy. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to take you through, I found a random product on Amazon, this white noise sound machine, and I'm going to show you how I personally would write high converting ad copy for this product itself. So let's go ahead and get the hook. Let's see. So I'm assuming that people shopping for this product are lacking good quality sleep. You know, they're probably rolling and tossing in bed all night, insomnia. Maybe they'd wake up feeling like crap. They're not refreshed. So I'm going to use that for the hook because we want to grab that user's attention and focus on the problem here at this point. So let's go ahead and make this bigger. Okay. So I went ahead and wrote out some hooks. So here we go. We know the pain and frustration caused by insomnia is truly unbearable. Someone that's suffering from it, they can feel that unbearable feeling of no sleep. Does a lack of sleep leave you irritated and grumpy? Did you know a lack of sleep is proven to be the main cause of many diseases? And then I actually went and I looked up, I just typed in lack of sleep effects. And here we have, this is on harvard.edu. So I recommend you guys do this too. Just type it into Google and find like a scholarly article. So this is from Harvard, and I just took a quote from it. So it says, chronic sleep deprivation may lead to a host of health problems, including obesity, diabetes, cardiovascular disease, and even early mortality. So this one is clearly the winner. When you read this, even if you don't have a serious sleep issue, you feel something with this. You feel that emotion of like, oh shoot, I need to focus on getting higher quality, deeper sleep. So do your research and focus on making the user feel something. I guarantee when you heard me read this, you felt something yourself. You think of those nights that you didn't get sleep. So that is a great hook right here. So let's move on to the benefit and solution. So benefit and solution. We can just check out what this product says. So it cancels out noises for improved sleep. So what I'm actually going to do here is I can just type this in. Benefits of white noise for sleep. And this is how I personally do my ad copies. I know my product like the back of my hands. I know all the research on it. Here's a good one. If you have trouble falling asleep or easily awaken during the night, many sleep specialists recommend trying a sound conditioner or a white noise machine. So this is good. So we have the solution right here. Perfect. Like that honestly is like a perfect benefit and solution presenting sentence. So obviously, if you're going to copy stuff from websites, give them credit. But this is just an example here. Let's go back to the page. So now we've presented our hook. We showed them that they have a problem. I'm going to get rid of these other ones so it's clearer to see. We gave them a benefit and a solution. And now we need to present an offer. So what is the offer here? We've got, this is actually perfect too. So we have a few options. It's portable. And our offer could be, we include a lanyard if you order today, or we include a USB cable. But honestly, what I love about this product right here is their guarantee. Our white noise machine is backed by our 1 year warranty and exceptional service. So I would probably capitalize, like, do the formatting correctly on this. Make sure it looks professional. Okay, so the offer is every white noise machine is backed by our 1 year warranty. And now the call to action is the second most important part, but it's honestly the easiest. So what I personally like to do is I just, get yours today, shop now, pick out, I like this one a lot too. Pick out your color, pick your color. And then what I recommend doing is I find using emoji increases that click-through rate. So like finger right. And then you would put your link. So whatever your link is, if it's that long, you're going to want to shorten it. But yeah, you get the point. So then place your call to action. And you have a great looking ad copy. So let me copy this in like the format it would be laid out. So make sure it's spaced nicely. Make it look clean. Don't worry too much about grammar, to be honest, because like when it's on the news feed, it's more important to make it feel like it's fitting in. So like, so here's our finished ad copy. It looks pretty good. Definitely looks a lot better than this, doesn't it? So now we're going to hop into one of my favorite tools. It's called Ad Spy. And as the name suggests, you can actually spy on your competitors' ads and use it to find new ads too. There's a link in the description. It's in one of my affiliate links, and it'll give you a free trial with a $50 discount for the first month. Definitely try out the free trial. Highly recommend doing that just because it gives you a ton of insight into what's working in the current world of Facebook ads. And then I use it to kind of brainstorm new ad copy and images and videos and whatnot. So I do recommend it, but we're going to hop in here now and we're going to go into a company that is absolutely killing it with Facebook ads right now. And it's called Hey Silky Skin. So basically, if I want to see all of this advertiser's current ads, I click on advertiser name, add to filters, and it's going to load up all of their current ads they're running. So you can sort by site types, genders, like demographics of what the ads are running to. And then you can also sort by, if you want it to be like a Shopify store, you can select that. You can do ClickFunnels. You can do what call to action they're using. So it's a very powerful tool. But basically, this company does at-home laser hair removal. And as you can see, they have quite a few ads running right now, like no joke. These guys are absolutely doing over $1 million a month in revenue. You can check out the SimilarWeb statistics on like the traffic they're driving, and you can just essentially get a good idea of what they're making if you use like a 3 to 5% conversion rate. So what I want to do is show you an example of a good ad. So a lot of these ads are retargeting. So I want to find one that they use on cold traffic. Okay, here we go. So like this is a good one. It's quick, and I'm sure they tested this, so it must be working. But it says never shave again. So a big pain point for a lot of people is shaving. You know, you cut yourself, takes time. You have to continuously buy replacements for the razors and whatnot. So it's a problem. So they present it. And it's a good hook, you know, whoa, like never shave again, seriously? So it draws people in, they've got the hook. And once again, too, actually, we can view this on the Facebook page. So you'll see the formatting should be a lot better on the Facebook page. Yeah, so this video right here, this ad has 2.3 million views, but they've got the hook, and then they present the benefit and the solution. The Hey Silky Skin do-it-yourself laser hair removal handset is here to solve all of your hairy problems in a flash. So that's their solution right there. And here's their offer. Basically, you know, you can remove any regrowth on any body part, 90-day money-back guarantee. This isn't really an offer, but it does, in a way, it's like, you know, we do have a good product. And then they actually include another offer here. Use Hair-Free 30 for $30 off plus free express shipping today. So my guess is this is, once again, like maybe a warm retargeting ad, because now they're offering money off. Maybe they do use it for cold traffic. That's something that you would have to test if you wanted to figure out what would work. And then personally, I would have, you know, some word like get yours here, just to draw some more attention to this. It's okay. But that's personally what I would do is I would, you know, pick out your color, do something, and really draw attention to this link here. And then I know we didn't cover too much about the headline, but when you're scrolling through, this 500 plus 5-star reviews are just really easy to see. So this is an example of a killer ad. So that is how I personally write my high converting Facebook ad copy. You give them the hook, benefit and solution, offer, and then a call to action. And you will see the metrics on your ads increase in terms of your click-through rate, your engagement, just because this is a proven format to work. And I highly recommend following this if you're not already. Really work on your ad copy. It's a huge proponent to your success with Facebook ads. I hope you got a lot of value out of this. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Dylan out.